Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen from VanVeenBulbs.com. In this segment, we're going to learn all about how to grow strawberries. One of my favorite fruits to eat and a beautiful plant in your garden, and something that you can enjoy for many years because they're very winter hardy. They come back every year. Okay, when I bought my strawberries, they were just a little root with a little start on them. So a lot of times they'll cut down the greenery and they'll give you the little roots when you buy them. And they're so easy to grow. You just plant the roots and they'll send out these little suckers that'll start lots of other plants. So they're very easy to grow. They need full hot sun with good drainage. That's the key. They do not like the shade, and they don't want to sit in a bog of water year round. But they're very hardy, and they'll grow and grow and grow for years and years. And so when they do flower, so you just plant them, plant the little roots, and then eventually they grow and they have little flowers on them. Like this is a little, they have little flowers on them, and then the flowers turn into fruit. So it's amazing how you'll just have a flower and then eventually a big strawberry will grow onto that flower. Where the flower was, you'll have a strawberry. You can see that right here. So I just kind of let them go. That's the key with strawberries, is you don't really have to hack them back. You don't have to do anything to them. Just let them multiply. And wait for the little berries to turn red so that they taste really good. The only problems I have with growing my strawberries are the birds, the raccoons, and the deer love them just as much as I do. So as you can tell, I had quite a few in here, and I even have them mixed with red hot pokers. But the deer, for some reason, haven't gotten to this variety, but my other varieties, as soon as they grow any amount of strawberries, they chomp them down. But I don't mind, because I garden with everybody else, and they keep coming back, and they keep coming back, and they're multiplying. And I figure for next year, I'm going to put a little bit of a gate around here, or a little bit of a fence, so that the deer can't get to them, and maybe next year I can get some strawberries for myself.